How to make a ring. Knead clay before shaping them. You can add water little by little while kneading. Flatten clay with a rolling pin. Measure the circumference of your fingers. Cut into strips at appropriate lengths. Use a pen knife to scrape the surface of both ends to make the clay stick. Connect the ends of the clay strips with water and tools. Choose the shape you like to adorn the ring. The gaps can be spliced together with clay. Let it dry 2 days. Dry naturally in the shade. Using a sanding pad for sanding the surface. Color when the clay is completely dry. The pigment usually dries thoroughly after 2 hours. Note: acrylic pigment characteristics will form a layer of pigment film. Do not touch the pigment before drying. Coating process: apply an even coat of acrylic flow medium.